So for this DIY, we're going to use a Dollartree bath mat and 2 of the Dollartree vases. I have a short one and I have a taller one, but I think this one's a little too short. So I have one that's taller than this, and that's the one I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use this and a taller one. These bath mats from the Dollar Tree are awesome. I love the pattern that it has. It's obviously the rubbery material. So let's remove this tag. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to trim off this circular area on the side. This way we have a straight pattern that we can work with. So I'm going to cut. And I'm going to cut the other rounded side. This way we have a perfectly square piece of the bath mat that we can work with. So I'm going to cut on this side. So now we have a square piece that we can work with and start to measure it around the vase. You want to go all the way towards the bottom. Just give it a little bit of an edge so the vase will be able to stand. So we have, I'm gonna start a little bit above the line on the vase right there. Okay, so my perfect thing, I'm gonna cut right here at this line. Let's hold that line there so I don't lose it. And since this pattern is pretty good and even, all you're going to do is cut across where you just measured. And I'm basically eyeballing it. So we have this and that. And then when we hot glue it, we can connect them. And then it gives it a little space in the middle. Now to do the top. And you can see the bath mat actually sticks to the vase already with suction. But we're going to hot glue that once we're done. So here on the top, I'm going to gauge. And I'm going to cut across this line right here. So I'm going to hold my mat. So now we have the covering for the vase. Perfect. And it gives it a little edge on the top, a little decorative edge on the top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and spray paint. Okay, so now that our 2 pieces have dried, we have one vase, we have 2. I found I have my taller one and the medium-sized one. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap them around and secure them with hot glue. So I'm going to check again to see which side I want on the top and which side I want on the bottom. I'm going to place it down. Okay. Make sure to measure again. Give it a little on the top, a little. And I'm just going to place a little bit of hot glue on the edges. vase. I'm going to measure to see which side I like it on. And I want to have the circular round pattern on the top with a little bit of the lines on the bottom. I'm gonna lay it down flat. Two hurricane lamps. I really like the way they look. They look very cool.